Nearly 80% of Americans now say fast food feels like a luxury. Prices have gone up so much that people are eating it less often. A LendingTree survey from last year showed this trend, and since then, it's only gotten worse. Eating out costs around 30% more than in 2019. Fast food chains are realizing they can't keep raising prices. Consumers are hitting a breaking point. McDonald's, Wendy's, Domino's, and Chipotle all recently reported declining traffic and sales. Over 60% of people say they've been sticker shocked by fast food bills and are cutting back. What used to be a cheap fallback is now becoming a splurge. Fast food companies have tried everything: value menus, promotions, even drone delivery, all in an effort to win back frustrated customers. But people aren't just complaining anymore, they're leaving. Let's break down how years of price hikes and service cuts are backfiring on the industry. McDonald's reported a 3.6% drop in U.S. same-store sales in early 2025, their worst since the 2020 COVID slump. Analysts expected a smaller drop, but this was more than double. Their CEO said traffic from low-income customers fell nearly 10%, and middle-income groups are also cutting back. That's huge, because those groups make up the majority of McDonald's customer base. McDonald's used to be seen as recession-proof. People would still go there during hard times because it was affordable, but now it's not affordable anymore. Wendy's is also hurting. Their U.S. sales dropped nearly 3%, and they revised their yearly outlook downward. They blamed higher supply and labor costs, and specifically mentioned that households earning under $75,000 are pulling away. That's not a niche issue. That's more than half the country. To fight this, Wendy's is launching a 100 Days of Summer Value campaign, but whether it will bring people back remains to be seen. Domino's is also showing signs of strain. Their same-store sales declined, and delivery orders are dropping while carryout is rising. Customers are avoiding delivery fees and tips to save money. They still want pizza, just without the extra costs. The Domino's CEO even said low-income customers haven't left. They're just eating at home more. Even Chipotle, which isn't usually lumped in with fast food, is feeling the pressure. For the first time since 2020, they reported a decline in same-store sales. Traffic is down in every region and income group. Yes, they made up for some of the loss with higher prices, but that can't go on forever. They've raised prices 6 times since 2021 and hinted at doing it again due to tariffs. One executive even said, "We view our pricing power as an asset, but it's clear customers are reaching their limit. And it's not just about cost. The experience is worse too. To get deals, you often have to use the chain's app. I've tried ordering from McDonald's app several times. It's always slow."
You know I just do it for my city. Drop top cruising through my city. Flag the pack in my city.